Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to OMG. So today we'll be seeing quicker jobs. Actually, I have heard a lot from many people that quicker jobs are really fake and they don't post any legitimate jobs, but that is not true. There are legitimate jobs and big companies who are recruiting people from this platform. As because for recruiters, it's actually free on posting ads. So most of the big companies will be here. You have to first search and find out about the legitimacy. So first of all, I have to tell you one thing that never ever pay for a job. You shouldn't pay for a job. In these kind of job portals, you have to be aware of the thing that you are getting a job, you are going to work for them, and why do you have to pay? So never pay for a job. And this is how you will be looking for. There are so many filters available. First of all, you'll be having a location filter. I have switched it over to Hyderabad, and you have roles, locality, monthly salary, job type, where I'm going to click on to work from home, and you can choose companies also. According to company, you can filter it and search. In roles, you'll be finding a lot of roles from data entry, back-end officer work, and you have architect, you have interior designer, you have a teacher job, you have a trainer, you have much more, animation, everything. Like you have choose it according to your field and search. So, when you are searching for a job, make sure that the profile of the recruiter is complete. Like you have to check on the description of the job, you have to look out for the contact number, you have to look out for their website if possible, whether they have given their website, whether they have a legitimate email ID given, or check for all the informations of the company and then contact them before going on giving your profile for their work. So never share your own personal details. Your resume might contain, no, it actually contains a lot of personal details, so don't share it before knowing the recruiter. Better call them and ask whether it's a legitimate company. Don't ask them that you are a fake company or a true company. Don't ask them like that. Ask it in a professional manner. Here I have shown you one example site. I'm not sure whether this is a legitimate site or not, so we'll be reviewing that now. But before reviewing that, click on to the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now we'll start off with the review. Look at this one. I'm not sure whether it's legit. This is just my own experience and my own thoughts on looking at their profile. They have given few links on YouTube showing their proof. So I'm not sure about this, but they have given a website to register you. Yeah, for registration they have given one link. I'll click in. I'll be clicking that one, and I'll see whether it's legitimate or not. So like this, do a lot of research before submitting your resume. See, they have given just a register button, and the register page only is popping out. I'm not able to see their profile. Oh yeah, this is their website, I think. But look at this one. They haven't mentioned that they are from a jewelry company, or they are a website owning a jewelry shop. They haven't mentioned it in the description, so I'm not aware of it. I'm not sure whether I can apply for this one or not. But if you found out that the job is legitimate, then you have to click on apply, submit your resume, and you will be contacted by the recruiter. So for this kind of thing, you have to call the recruiter before joining that website and all. Before registering, please do call or message them. That is not safe, just clicking on register and giving your personal details. They might actually use it for some other purpose, or they might sell it. So don't ever give your personal details. And so that's about the review. Please make sure that you contact the recruiter in free profile, in free account. You won't be able to contact all the time, like you won't have that call option in more than 3 times. So better make your choices perfect and good. Choose good companies, you know, known companies, the companies you actually know. Choose only those things and shortlist it, and call the recruiter and ask them what are the procedure, what kind of job is it. If they haven't given the kind of job and its position, its salary, everything, if they haven't given it, then call and ask them and make sure that the whole details you know about the company. So be aware of it. There are lots of work from home jobs posted on Quaker every day. So keep a note on it. This is a nice passive income. Actually, not a passive income. You can work a lot and get money if you actually want to work some. During this quarantine period, if you really love to work, when you are sitting at home, another job to work inside, part-time jobs, you can actually do that from sitting at your home, from your comfort zone. So this is a nice place to get a lot of job, because most of the companies think Quicker is best option, because it's actually free posting ads on this website. So make sure you go through this website a lot, do a lot of research, make you know search whether the company is true, search on Google whether the company is there, whether they have already recruited a lot of people, whether they have a website, whether they have email ID provided. Contact that person, don't go everywhere. Most of the jobs I have seen and I have contacted have actually told me that it's a legitimate job, you can come here, students can work, even retired persons can work, housewives can work. They have said a lot. When I actually went there in person to contact about the job, they told me that they'll be holding a session to know more about the job. So I attended the session and came to know that it was MLM. MLM is nothing but multi-level marketing. They will ask you to join, and in turn you have to make 10 people or 20 people to join to earn referral commissions. So that is what is MLM. So that won't work actually. You would have seen MLM in Amway kind of products, where they will be asking you to sell those products, or make people join in Amway, that same kind of MLM referrals, and you will be earning commission when they sell a product or they bring up a new person to join. So that is MLM. That won't work actually, because think on practically, how will you be able to bring more than 50 people or 100 people in a long term? It won't work, and that is not a good idea to work actually. Better you just search for work from home, content writing jobs. You'll be having some good Photoshop work, illustration work. If you have any good skills, start working from Quicker Jobs. Search for it. As I have told you, never ever pay for a job. Do your best. Job you are going to work should never ask you money. So that's all for today. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye.